everyone and welcome to Team Javerage. We're doing some more Dracology War. Today we're doing the evolution theory and extinct species of dragons. So in the past we had some really interesting dragons. We had these prehistoric dragons like 10,000 before Christ, maybe earlier. We had these Megalosaurus, Dracology, and all sorts of cool dragons, but they sort of raged on the landscape right between the dinosaurs and maybe a bit after. The Megalosaurus and the Dracology are prehistoric versions or the ancestors of our modern dragons. So every dragon that lives now is is a child of those dragons. Another extinct species is the Dracostupidus. He's got his name from the fact that he ate people with big heads. He quite enjoyed those. And people on Easter Island built these giant stone heads, and the dragon would then try and eat them, but they weren't easy to digestible, so they got extinct. So the Dracostupidus ceased to exist. Another extinct species is the Rimbu dragon. He lived in the jungle and was not very wanted by the people there, like the Indians and stuff like that. So they were just pets and they lived together. The dragons weren't eaten or anything because their meat was way too dry and tough. So they lived in peace and were caught easily, and they were really cuddly and stuff. But the Europeans quite liked the meat, so in a few decades the whole species was exterminated. Another dragon species that got extinct is the colibri dragon. It was a really tiny dragon, like about this size, and it was quite loved by the gauchos, and they would pet them right on their back, and then they'd spit fire, so they used them as sort of matches to light their fires. But they didn't know how to breed these dragons, so dragons just went extinct. And those are some really cool extinct dragons. So dragon history is like normal Dracology, not a very popular science, so there isn't that much known about dragons that went extinct. You've also got the dodo dragon, which is nicknamed after their sort of dodo-esque behavior. They were quite the daredevils and went extinct because of that reason, we think, but we're not sure. They're just a mystery. We just know they might have existed. And that's all we really know about extinct dragons. There aren't that many bones found because dragons' bones are often confused with dinosaur bones. And yeah, that's why we don't know much about prehistoric dragons or old dragons that went extinct. So if you ever find bones, make sure you don't necessarily jump off of the conclusion that it's a dinosaur. It might just be a dragon. Next week we are starting with the actual dragon classifications, so I hope you guys will enjoy that, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!